get some Juju time? Maybe do you want to go, maybe we're gonna have some Juju time? Are we gonna have, maybe you want some bone? I'm gonna give you bone time. I'm gonna give you some bone time. All the way down. Go all the way down. Sit. All the way down. All the way down. Go. All the way down. All the way down. Tongue, okay? Okay, here, give you a bone, okay? Leave it. Leave it. Jaja. 1, 2, 9. Good boy. 1, 2, 3. Get it. Jaja. 1, 2, 3. Take it, Lulu. Good boy, Jaja. Take it. Bebe. Now he's gonna go and hide it. See ya, Ja. Not taking it. He's slowly walking away. He's such a loser. Shh. He's possibly hiding the bone now. Hide. He's blind, he can't see me. I'm gonna go ask. Jaja, where's your bonbon? Where's your bonbon? Can I have it? Can I have your bonbon? Where'd it go? Jaja, look! Is your bonbon here? No, it's not. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I got it! Oh, he's pissed.
I'm not gonna give you your bonbon. I'm not gonna give you your bonbon.
Uh-oh, Josh, you got your bonbon time.
I'm gonna hide it. I'm gonna hide it. No more bonbon. No more. Not for Jaja.
Uh-oh, that's so mean.
Not for Jaja. No, I don't. I can't get it.
I'll give it to him. I'll give it to him.
Sit. Give me. Sit.
Good boy, Jaja. Can I have it? Jaja, can I have it? Jaja, get the bonbon. Jaja, get the bonbon then. Can I have it? Can I have it? Okay, I don't think he's gonna hide it anymore. And now he's resting.
Bubba?